Hi everyone, and welcome to another interactive science workshop. Today we are going to have lots of fun. We are going to be making our own lava lamp. So similar to the one that I've made here. Alright, today what you're going to need is a jar, or you could maybe use a plastic cup. You're going to need some food dye, so whatever colour you want to use. You're going to need some cold water, some oil, and we're going to need some citric acid and bicarb soda. Alright, let's get to it. Okay guys, so what we need to do, we need to grab our jar. We need to fill basically halfway with water. So there we go. So we've got water, and then we need to put oil on top. Now we've got to leave a centimetre at the top. Okay, so as we can see, what's happening is the oil hasn't mixed with the water, has it? So the oil and water remain separate no matter how much we move the water and oil around. So even if we stir it, see how it remains separate? Okay, so now what we have to do, you pick your colour the favourite colour that you want to use, some food dye. We're going to make a blue one today. Alright, so we just drop in a couple of drops of blue. Just give that a little bit of time to settle. While that's settling, what we need to do now, I'll just move this out of the way so I can show you here. Need to grab a little cup or a little saucer. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a teaspoon of bicarb soda and a teaspoon of citric acid. Okay. Doesn't need to be the exact. Alright, just as much as you can, so we'll move those. Now I just like to stir it together here so that it's together. Okay, we'll bring our jar back over. What we're going to do now is we're going to put that into the jar. Okay, and what you can see is happening is it's starting to make our little lava bits. Okay, so when we add the citric acid and the bicarb soda, with the water, it forms carbon dioxide gas, and it transports the coloured water up and around the jar to look like a lava lamp. Exactly what we can see. Very cool. Okay, now remember not to put a lid on top of it, because the pressure will make it explode, okay? And also, another warning is be very careful if you're moving these around, because we don't want them to fall over, because the dye might stain the table or chairs or floor, and the oil will make it very, very slippery. So make sure that we're very careful. All right, have fun. Okay, our next interactive science workshop is going to be with Julian, and you are going to be making crafty catapults, and these are the things that you need. You need 12 paddle pop sticks, 3 elastic bands, a hot glue gun or craft glue, so whichever you've got at home, plastic bottle caps and some scrap paper. See you then.